This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by diagnosing the connection. Confirm the phone is within 10 feet and Bluetooth is on for both devices, and switch airplane mode on then off to force a scan. Check that the car shows the phone in controls, safety and security Bluetooth, and in media sources. Note the Tesla software version and any recent updates. Record the build number. If multiple phones are paired, remove extras and disable automatic connect on spare devices to reduce interference and prioritize the primary phone. Perform soft resets next. In the Tesla, hold both steering wheel scroll wheels for 30 seconds until the screen reboots, then wait 1 minute. On the phone, clear Bluetooth cache in settings or toggle Bluetooth off for 2 minutes. Reboot the phone if possible. In the Tesla, forget the phone under Bluetooth and delete the phone entry in the phone's Bluetooth list, then repair the devices following prompts. When pairing, allow phone access to contacts and media, and confirm a PIN or passkey if prompted. If soft fixes fail, update both the Tesla and phone operating system to the latest versions, then test Bluetooth again. Try creating a new driver profile in the car and pair the phone to that profile. This isolates profile-specific settings. If problems persist, perform a factory reset of infotainment only after backing up personal settings or clear paired devices list fully. When unresolved, schedule a Tesla Service Center appointment or request Tesla mobile service. Provide the software build, incident time, and any error messages for faster diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.